Good afternoon, it's Anthony from Retail Development Company, and here we are out in the field to kind of look at the house we just talked about back in the studio. We went through permitting. The first step of every project starts the same way, where we come out in the field and we stake everything off. So the guys know where to cut the driveway, they know where the house is going to be, and they know where the stormwater system is going to be. So these guys have already pushed off the topsoil, and they've started digging for the foundation of the home. As you look down this way, you can start to see some of the work that's been done. The area that's staked out in yellow ribbon right there represents our stormwater area, and then beyond that you'll see the septic area. These are